G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today I have another Christmas album for you. This one is Christmas 2019, and this album is made from a variety of designs that I just scrapbooked myself. I didn't use any of the Project Life or templates. It's just me, a blank background in Photoshop, and I added everything. So let me know what you think. So before we even knew about COVID, although I probably did finish it after COVID existed, this album is printed with Forever. It's an 8x8 and it is a stitched binding there. I find the Forever albums are really great. I love that they're the same size exactly as Snapfish and the Shutterfly, so all of my photo books line up perfectly if you're a bit fussy like that. And here's a bit of a close-up of the cover. This photo isn't my favourite, but it was the best I could find. So this year I didn't actually use holiday faves. I used a 2014 kit from Tracy Reed and they kept it super simple. So I used this typewriter font and the Gold Day card. I think this is supposed to be a 3x4 card. And I just added a photo and some words for each day. So it's more of a traditional December daily. This is a stock photo, and yeah, I did a very simple album this year. I did crop the edge off this one and reconstruct the font a bit. If you look really closely, it does have a little flat edge here. And I used some embellishments there with the Lego bits. Added a few more embellishments on this page and even documented December dailies and Christmas books on this one. My sister made these gorgeous ones. And Phil got this saw, is it? I don't even remember what this one was, but he was like, have you finished taking photos, because it's really crushing my legs. And on his birthday was also his brother's 40th, so that was a very big day, and it was like 38 degrees. It was stinking hot. Then they watched Frozen 2. Funny enough, I didn't even say what movie in the journaling here. That's probably something to change. And this was quite a hilarious tale about how we all went to the midnight screening, but then it ended up with us in gold class, 2 friends went to the different cinema. These 3 friends were all together, and then his brother decided to come and was stuck in like the only seat right at the back. So that was just a hilarious night. We all had a great time. And just some little stories about, like, they made these for my sister to thank her for babysitting. She actually stayed overnight when we got up in the middle of the night and went to the movie. That was for Star Wars. And then documenting making gingerbread. We went to the Hillsong Spectacular, which is like a special Christmas event. And then we actually made it to Christmas carols as well. First time we'd been for a long time, because we always managed to get sick around Christmas time. It's So we took our family Christmas photo, not on Christmas Day. And a little bit, and I recognise I used this Christmas in another album as well. Do you reuse your supplies a lot? I totally do. And some family snaps from Christmas lunch and then Boxing Day lunch. And then the cockies decimating my sunflowers. And our Christmas presents from overseas arrived on on New Year's Eve. And then I documented our tradition of sitting at home and watching Ocean's 11 on on New Year's Eve. And then I often include New Year's Day. My sister's birthday's on New Year's Day, so we often do something with her or go to the beach. And we did both this year. And then each year I just do a simple page to document what the children receive so they can remember. And they usually choose their outfits, so it could be anything from pretty dressed up to wearing their Christmas pajamas. So now, if I was going to change anything, it is 2019 and some of these photos are a bit like overblown. I don't know, that might have been my iPhone camera, I'm not sure. This one's especially dark. Sometimes you can adjust them later, but sometimes it's just the quality of the photo is not that great. But overall, I still love this album. I think it's cute how I did 3 different types of presents there. I like that it's simple, and interestingly, as I have another super simple one at 2020's album was a little simple as well, but simple and done is great. So what did you think of this album? I'm going to link you up to any kits that I use that are still available. I'm not sure how many of them are because we're getting back a few years now. Have you documented Christmas 2019? I'd love to see your posts or videos or Instagrams about them. Do you love looking back through your photos and your albums at this time of year? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed looking through my 2019 album, and I hope it's inspired you to do something with your Christmas memories. If you'd like to follow along, don't forget to click subscribe and then click on the bell icon and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Do you wish I could help you make your own photo book? Well, I can. Why don't you head over and check out my Simple Family Yearbook class. It's the easiest way to get a photo book done. This class is designed for the busy mum or grandma who wants to whip up a photo book in just a couple of hours. So we use auto curation to choose your photos and get it professionally designed for you. So all you have to do is make a few tweaks and order it. So why don't you take a sneak peek at the class? You can even preview some of the lessons here and get started telling your family stories.